Here's how we can restore closed tabs in Chrome on Android. So let's get started. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, when you open up the Google Chrome, you can browse the currently open tabs as well as go to the all tabs view and switch in between the older ones, right? So you have the ability to basically go to the inactive items, which might be those which you have used like recently, or it's been some time since you used them and you want to get back to those. So that is the first approach. You can go to the inactive items and retrieve them back like this. Another way to make it work would be not by going to the all tabs view, but just be in the regular website mode and just tap on the three dots in the top right like this. And you should also see the button to restore like closed tabs. So you can see the recent tabs are right here, and you can basically go to the history like that. And it's going to ask you if it's, if you want to turn on some sharing of your Google account with, for example, your computer and stuff. But this is the place that you need to check out. Hopefully you will be able to see something in here. But of course, the best way to go about it would be to just explore the history like that. Like you go to the three dots, tap on history, and any of the websites which you have recently used are going to be in here. So you can always jump back to that website just by, browsing the history and going back to it. So that is, of course, another way to make it work. I hope I was able to explain all of the different approach types. So if there's something which I didn't miss or you would like to see in the future videos, make sure to let me know about that. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later.